Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diane here. Welcome back to Ordinary Fabulous. Today I'm going to try out the new T3 Micro one-step smoothing and volumizing hair dryer brush. Such a long name. So I have been using T3 product for a while now. Like this hair dryer, I got it when I finished my undergrad, which is back in 2017. So I have this more than 6 years now. Oh my god. So I have been using this for 6 years now and it still works fine. Go T3! It comes with a hairbrush, but I'm really lazy, so I don't really blow out my hair, but then I really want my hair to get a style. I find out they got this one-step thing, so I think maybe I should give it a try and see how it works out for me. A couple days ago, I tried it on my hair right after I wash it when it's still dripping water. I don't think that's a good idea. So today I just washed my hair and I blow dried my hair now, so it's completely clean and dry. So let's follow the steps and try how the thing work out for me. Before try out, I want to find out what is so different about this one, because this is retail for $149. This is the hairbrush that comes with the hair dryer, so basically I got it for free. To compare the bristles, this one only have one rows of bristles and only have one type, but this one has 2 rows of bristles, 1 row of smoothing bristles and 1 row of volumizing bristles. According to the website, it's supposed to give me the salon-quality result at home without all the fuss and expense. So let's go and try this thing out. So before I start, I will put on a leave-in conditioner. So this is the Bumble hair oil primer, and it claims that it have the thermal protection anti-UV. So it's supposed to protect my hair from the heat. Let's put it on before we do the blowout of my hair. This stuff smells good. For using the brush, I need to start by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. But because I have a lot of hair, I probably gonna section them to 6 different sections, just to make sure that each of the section of my hair is being taken care of. And I think I'll be using the maximum power because my hair is too thick and I really want the result to be good. I'm starting with brushing it through my hair to prevent breakage. I think this looks smooth to me. I am brushing my hair from the roots to the ends. I'm taking my time and making sure that I'm getting all of the hairs. Ooh, this is quite loud. Hi guys, this is Editing Diane. I will be criticizing how she is doing in this video. So it looks like she is doing the first section of her hair. I'm really glad that you only need one hand to use this hairbrush, because if you use the ancient way, then you have to use one hand to hold the hair dryer and use your second hand to hold the hairbrush. Ooh, I already love the result on her first try. Look at the hairs, it used to look flat and now have more body and more volumizing. I know in the beginning of the video she said she's gonna divide her hair into 3 sections, but at this point I don't think 3 sections is enough for her. So here comes the 4th section. I think that's a lot of hair. That's a huge chunk of hair and we don't like to do that. Wow, even so, the result is amazing. I love it. So far so good, huh? Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. That's the 5th section. Here comes the 6th. I'm loving this hairbrush now. I mean, it can work with that much hair. Finally guys, we are on the 1st section of the left side. Oh, should I have short hair? I feel like I will look so handsome if I have short hair. looks like I'm losing my patience here, so I'm putting more and more here into one section. I mean, the result is still good, it's just a little hurt while you're doing it. And now I think this is the 8th section, and we are on the 9th section here. Actually, I'm very pleased with the result because every time when I curl my hair, it will take at least 2 hours. It's just you need to use a lot of pressure to pull the hairbrush away from yourself. So my muscles are really sore at the moment. Oh girl, we are almost there. Keep up the good work. Yay! My hair looks so much fuller and bouncier. I'm really impressed with how much volume the brush is adding for me. The volumizing bristles are really working their magic. I can see a big difference in the volume of my hair already. It's the finishing of my 11th section. Voila, we are finished! Alright! I guess this is the finished look. Ooh, it's really smooth and volumizing. Like, look at this, it is really volumizing. I couldn't put like all of my hair in the front now because there's just too much to have in the back. And now I look better, huh? Do I look better? I have to say, wow, like I really love this. This is like really like salon quality thing, but I can do it like at home. My hairdresser is in New York, and I always try to learn like how to blow out my hair. Like he taught me every time, but then I just can't remember it. Always like keep forgetting. When I'm back in California, I was like blow dry my hair and then call it a day. Now, oh, I can finally do it at home. Oh my god. Really enjoying this. It only take like 10 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes. So like if you do a makeup and you want to like do your hair, this is like a really good way to do it and it saves so much time. But just to make sure that no matter what you do, don't use your hand to touch the barrel while you styling your hair. The air comes out, it's really really hot and you don't want to like burn yourself. But other than that, this works so well for me. Like my hair is like so easy to comb through. I don't know if it's the Brazil or the Bumble and Bumble hair oil primer, but it makes my hair so smooth and now it smells so good. Oh, I love how this looks. I highly recommend it if you just like me, don't know how to like style your hair properly and then always want to get like a salon blowout look but then don't know how to do it by yourself. This is like such a lifesaver. I love it so much. And I think it's retail for $149, but then like if you divide it by how many times you need to go to salon to get your hair styled, I think it's a good deal. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and hair tutorials. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a nice day and happy Mooncake Festival. 中秋节快乐!